Hey, what's up, everybody? It's a My Day Monday. You know what it is. We're back at it again. Hashtag MDM. So yeah, the boys and I went out to Bumalanga today. As you can see, I'm recording from a different sort of place. We're out of Bumalanga. I'm in a guest house right now. We're about to check out. We went to a wedding. Today I want to talk to you guys about 10x, the 10x rule, and the formula for success. Right now, the 10x rule I get from Grant Cardone. He has a book called the 10x rule, and this formula for success I get from Ray Dalio in his book Principles. Right now, in Ray Dalio's book, he doesn't necessarily call it the formula for success, right? He calls it the feedback loop. But I'll take you guys through this, and you let me know what you guys think, right? So the 10x rule, right? The 10x rule from Grant Cardone has sort of two parts from it, and the basic principle around the 10x rule is any goal that you have, that you've written down that you want to achieve, go and understand the effort it will take to achieve that goal and multiply the effort by 10. That will give you a closer sort of understanding of what it will take for you to achieve that particular goal, right? Now, the second part of that 10x thinking is basically if you have a particular goal, take that goal and multiply that by 10, right? That will enforce you to start thinking at a sort of 10x level, right? So as soon as you have a particular goal, you have how big that particular goal is, and you've multiplied that goal by 10. You take the steps you think you'll need to achieve that particular goal, and those steps then are also multiplied by 10 because your goal is then 10 times bigger than what you thought, that what you had set out in the beginning, right? And the nice thing about the 10x rule is if anything goes wrong and you fall short on your goal, you'll fall short on a 10x goal, which means your original goal, you achieved it, but you just fall short of, let's say, for example, you wanted 10 million rand and you said, okay, cool, I want to multiply that by 10 and you're 100 million rand. You've basically gone past that 10 million rand mark. And now you're falling short on the 100 million rand mark. And at the end of the day, it's much better for you to make more than to make less than what you achieved, right? And at the end of the day, you've achieved your goal and more than what your goal is, right? Now, let's take that and put that in Ray Dalio's feedback loop, which I'm calling the formula for success, right? In anything. There's 6 steps to this formula, right? And the first step is basically have the goal, right? And once you have that goal and you know you want to achieve it, the next step then becomes in moving towards that goal, you'll identify problems and you'll stumble upon problems, right? Now, the wealthy minded understand that problems aren't failure, right? Problems don't represent failure. Problems are opportunities to better yourself and to better the solution or the goal, right? Now, as soon as you encounter the problem, the first thing to do after that, step 3, is to diagnose those problems and to take those problems apart and understand them to the point where you can, step 4, design solutions for those problems, and then move towards step 5, implementing those solutions and improving your goal and improving your solution, right? So that's basically the formula for success, and it's the steps to the formula for success. But now, that is one part of it, right? What makes it the formula for success is implementing those steps over a period of time, right? Now, this is where Grant Cardone's 10x effort comes in. As soon as you can implement that feedback loop 10 times more than what you wanted to in the beginning, and you do that successfully over time, over a period of time, you will definitely reach your goal, and you will definitely reach a goal much greater than the one that you had attained initially, right? Now, if you look at this graph here, the second or third loop is basically your first goal, right? And the one that your initial goal. Now, as soon as you implement this consistently, what was that 10x goal, right? What was that 10x goal that you put up initially, right? It becomes nothing. And at the end of the day, you go much closer towards success because your level of improvement is increasing with each and every loop, because you understand that problems aren't failures but are opportunities to improve yourself. And as soon as you do that over time, at the end of the day, it's success. Now, This requires consistency because the formula for success includes time, right? Now, the persistence and the consistency that is required there comes from the 10x rule, right? As soon as you understand the effort in the beginning, you know that it might take me this period of time, so I need to make sure I keep working up until that point in time, and then I can look back and say, hey, have I achieved my goal or what? And to me, right there is the formula for success. Sounds easy. It's easy to do it, I think. As soon as you can change your mindset and you can start thinking much greater than what you're thinking right now, 10 times greater than what you're thinking right now, then you'll start to realize that what was this? Why haven't I been doing this, right? This is what the successful do. They understand that when they have failed, that's actually an opportunity for them to better themselves. Yeah, guys, I think that's it. Use this, employ this in every single thing that you want to do. Just make sure you have a goal, you know it, you write it down, multiply it by 10, multiply the effort by 10, take the steps, the steps from the formula of success, employ those in achieving your goal over time, and you'll achieve your goal. That's what I think, right? That's what I'm doing, and look, it's working for me. In the technology space, as I'm doing software, as I'm coding, every single solution that I employ isn't the solution that will work, but it's how many times I employ a different solution that gets me to success, right? But yeah, remember guys to subscribe. Every single Monday, 6 o'clock, I want to post these videos. It's a form of sustenance for the week, a form of encouragement, a form of motivation. Every single week I'm going to post these up, right? Remember to subscribe, share, tell me what you like. I'll link everything below. I'll link the screenshots as well. Share your thoughts with me. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you think. Remember guys, you're a future legend. Let's get it.